Welcome to this video on the Samsung Galaxy M06 5G. This phone, in blazing black with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, features Monster 5G with 12 5G bands and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor. The Galaxy M06 5G is the unbeatable monster and the #1 selling 5G smartphone in the under 10K segment on Amazon, based on data from January to June 2025. Experience unbeatable Monster 5G connectivity with 12 5G bands and all network support. Enjoy fast downloads, smooth live streaming, uninterrupted gaming, and lag-free video calling. Achieve unbeatable monster speed with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300. This blazing fast performance includes an AnTuTu score of 623K+, a 2.4 GHz CPU, up to 6 GB memory, and up to 128 GB internal storage. The Samsung Galaxy M06 5G Mobile is equipped with a powerful 5000 mAh battery and supports 25W fast charging, ensuring you stay connected longer. Enjoy unbeatable monster visuals with a 17.13 cm HD+ display. This display provides beautiful graphics with a larger and brighter viewing experience. Capture life's moments with unbeatable monster clicks. The camera setup includes a 50 megapixels main camera, a 2 megapixels depth camera, and an 8 megapixels front camera. Show off unbeatable monster style. The Samsung Galaxy M06 5G Mobile is available in attractive colors, including sage green and blazing black. Get unbeatable monster updates with 4 generations of OS upgrades and 4 years of security updates, keeping your device current and secure. Experience unbeatable monster smartness, featuring Samsung Knox Vault for enhanced security, a fingerprint sensor, voice focus, and quick share capabilities.